Class 3 Science. Good morning, children. Today's topic is Our Body Systems, Chapter 7. In this lesson, you will learn about organs and organ systems. As you can see in the picture, there are different types of organs. So, children, let us start with our organs. There are 5 sense organs. I hope you have already learned about the 5 sense organs. It is also shown in the pictures. There are 5 sense organs. All these sense organs are connected to the brain through the nerve. So let us find out how these 5 sense organs help us. We see with our eyes. You can see here in the picture, we see with our eyes. Means whatever you want to see in this world, you can see with the help of this sense organ, which is called eyes. Okay. Then the next is we hear with our ears. So with the help of ear, we can hear any kind of sound. We can listen any sound. Okay. Then the next is we taste with our tongue. So with the help of this sense organ, tongue, you can taste any sweet dish, you can taste any salty dish. You can find out what it tastes like. Okay. Then the next is we smell with our nose. So with the help of this sense organ, nose, we can smell any kind of thing, like it is bad smell or good smell. Like a flower has a good smell, so it will smell you good. Okay. Then perfumes, body sprays, you can smell with the help of your nose. If there is a bad smell like dustbin, then you can smell with the help of this nose. Okay. Then the last one is we feel with our skin. So children, you know that skin is the largest sense organ in our body. Okay. So we feel, we touch with the help of our skin. Now children, let us learn about the organ systems. Our body is made up of cells. A group of similar cells performing a particular function is called a tissue. A group of tissues performing a particular function is called an organ. When a group of organs work together to perform a common function is called an organ systems. For example, you want to run, you want to walk. So all these parts in the body, cells, your tissues, your organs will work together and you can perform such things like running, walking, eating. Okay, so these are called an organ system. See how you can see in the picture here how the cells and then the tissues, then your organs and the organ systems are formed, and then this human body. So when these organs work together, your human activity also functions. Okay. Now let us learn about other organs in our body. So children, there are many organs in our body. The first one is skeletal system. You can see here the skeleton system, which is formed of the bones. Okay, let us learn about this. Bone is a solid and hard substance in our body. There are 206 bones in an adult human. All the bones join together to form a framework called skeleton. So when all these bones are joined together, it forms a skeleton. Okay, there is no muscles in this bone, so it is called skeleton. Skeleton gives shape and support to our body. It also protects all the internal organs like heart, lung, etc. So children, to support your body, this skeleton helps it. Okay? Now we will learn about the muscular system. The muscular system is made up of muscles. There are about 639 muscles in the human body. The muscles, along with bones, help us in body movements. So children, on your skeleton, on your bones, this is covered with the muscles and it helps in the moving or doing any action of your body. Okay? Children, let us learn about the next organ system, which is called digestive system. We eat food to get energy. Before food is used, it is broken down into simpler substances in our body. This process is called digestion. The human digestion system starts in the mouth. The food is chewed and broken into smaller pieces by the teeth. The saliva gets mixed with the food and helps in digestion. Food then goes to the stomach through the food pipe. In the stomach, the food gets mixed with the digestive juices for digestion. The food then goes to the small intestine. In the small intestine, the food gets completely digested into simple substances. Blood carries these substances to various parts of the body. The undigested food and water goes to the large intestine. Here, water is absorbed by the body. The remaining undigested food goes to the rectum and goes out through anus. Children, let us learn about the respiratory system. The process of releasing energy from food is called respiration. For this, oxygen is needed. The respiratory system consists of the nose, the windpipe and lungs. You can see here in the diagram how it is shown, how we can breathe through these organs. We can breathe. We take in oxygen from the air through our nose. It then reaches the lungs through the windpipe. The hair in the nose helps to prevent dust and germs from entering our body. The blood in the lungs absorbs oxygen and supplies it to all parts of the body. The air that we breathe out is carbon dioxide. It is a waste product. Now children, let us learn about the next organ system, which is called circulatory system. The circulatory system consists of the heart, blood and blood vessels. The heart beats throughout our life. It pumps blood to different parts of the body through thin tubes. These tubes are called blood vessels. Children, you can see here in the picture how this system goes on through the heart, blood and blood vessels. You can see the red color here in this body. So you can see the blood vessels which contains blood inside it, like the tubes you can see here. It is called blood vessels. So this is how your system functions. Now let us learn about excretory system. Natural removal of harmful substances from the body is called excretion. Our body produces many harmful substances. These harmful substances are thrown out of the body by the excretory system. The excretion is done by a pair of kidneys, lungs and skin. Kidneys throw out wastes in the form of urine. The lungs throw out carbon dioxide gas. The skin throws out wastes in the form of sweat. So this is how all these three things come out from your excretory system. Now we should learn about some nervous system in our body. The nervous system comprises of the brain, spinal cord and nerves. You can see here in the picture, this is your brain and the middle red part is called spinal cord and these blue lines are called nerves. The brain controls all our activities like running, reading, laughing and crying. It sends messages to all parts of the body through nerves. The spinal cord connects the brain to all parts of the body through nerves. So children, this is how the nervous system works in your body. Now let us learn about the reproductive system. Babies are born via the reproductive system. Both men and women have different reproductive organs. So children, I hope you understood all the organ systems, how it works, how it functions in our body. Okay. So let us summarize the chapter. Human body made up of cells, tissues, organ and organ systems. There are many organ systems: skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, excretory system, nervous system, and reproductive system. So learn these systems of our body and learn how it functions. Now children, let us do some exercises. Answer the following question. Question number 1. What is respiration? The answer is the process of releasing energy from food is called respiration. Question number 2. What gets mixed with the food in the stomach and digests it? The answer is the saliva gets mixed with the food in the stomach and digests it. Question number 3. Name 3 things which are eliminated from the body during excretion. We have just learned in the lesson. The answer is urine, carbon dioxide and sweat are eliminated. Eliminated means removed from the body during excretion. Now let us do some homework. You have to do in your homework copy. Answer the following questions in one word. You have to write only one word for these questions. Question number 1. How many muscles are there in our body? So you have to write the number of muscles in the answer. Then question 2. Which system gives support to our body? You have learned in the skeleton system. So that is your support to our body. Write the answer. Question number 3. Name the organ which beats throughout our life. So which organ is that? Find out, read the chapter and write the answer. Second question is draw and describe the human respiratory system. So you have to draw this human respiratory system in your notebook and name it. Okay. Thank you.